Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I love the idea of a small personal blender, but often they either don't work, they don't chop, or the battery just dies really fast. This is the Bionic Blade. It's by Emson, and I have to say for a personal blender, this is definitely a better quality than other ones that I have tried. The blender works up to 10 uses for every charge, so you get that high-powered speed blender every time. I also really like it because it fits into my car holder with no problem. The blades in this are really sharp, so they chop ice, they chop frozen fruit, they even chop up coffee beans. So they're definitely a better quality blade than some of the other versions of a personal one. I really like the generous size cup, but also the base is a nice heavy duty motor. You can definitely tell that it has a little more power and oomph to it. It's rechargeable thanks to the enclosed cord, and if you are a person that has a need for on-the-go drinks, you love your smoothie, you want to be able to make sure you can take it with you on the go, go with this one. You'll be super happy with the quality of it and the durability, and that's my point of view.